Hi, welcome to the award-winning Ed Brown Show. Got a special show again for you. We're going to talk about, first of all, we're going to talk about energy. Everybody wants to save energy of some kind, as far as building, as far as your homes, all of that. And then the second topic, we're going to be dealing with, hey, the holidays are here. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Don't eat too much turkey. That'll be part of the second half. Also, we're going to tell the youngsters out there where they can actually get a internship at different places like CNN. And right now, what we're going to start with the energy. Now, first of all, most of us know as energy is something that we all need to know something about, right? Okay, the first thing about the energy is that you have different categories. You have the solar energy, you have the home energy screen, the water production, energy savers, and those type of things. And what you want to do is you're dealing with wind, you're dealing with the economy, you're dealing with micro and power. Now, if you want to really get something done in your home, just call this number and they'll come out. And this is important now, 1-888-674-112. Now, they'll come out and give you a natural energy pure test. Natural pure energy is dedicated to provide affordable alternatives which help eliminate our country's dependence on foreign supplied oil. Everybody knows about oil. Contribution to a cleaner, healthier environment and the effects of rising energy costs. Now, the future, what you need to do, it's important that you call this number, and this is free. This is a free energy audit, and that's 1-888-674-112. Now, I want everybody to do this because I know what you're doing now. You're going along with the county is telling you to save with the trash. You have a special trash day for recyclables and that type of thing. But what you want to do, a lot of things are going on as far as saving energy in construction. But what you want to do first is get your house where you're paying the bill energy free. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm going to read some of the things innovative things they're doing as far as energy is concerned. Now, Honeywell makes money in ways that energy environment will love, saving energy. Okay. When the temperature in the Staples store in Orlando, Florida, climbed to 76 degrees, the truck wanted to know why. From their computer monitor in Cleveland, a technician energy management business suspected a roof. Okay, you're talking about how many of you know that quite a few of your energy, your heat, goes out to the roof. Have you had the roof insulated lately? Those are things. An innovative company in Western Michigan, here's another one, is bringing wind energy to new places. The roof of your house to be Pacific. You've heard about solar energy. I know you've talked about it, people, and they find out, hey, that's an expensive thing. But what they're trying to do now is actually have it so that your roof, so on the west coast of Michigan near Grand Rapids, a plastic injection molding company has transformed itself from a supplier to furniture and automobile industry into alternative energy. Now, this alternative energy has partnered with the Scottish company to introduce the Swift Wind turbine. Okay? It's designed by the use on the homes and small business as a source of renewable energy. What I say, renewable energy. It's an innovative idea from a company with long-standing commitments as far as business practice throughout Michigan. Companies are discovering the value in capitalizing on a trend towards alternative energy technology. It's so many things. Now here's another one that's as far as upgrading is concerned. Now they have a self-healing concrete. As civil engineer, what they've done, they have, most of the time with the roads and your driveway, you know how you get them cracks in the driveway. Well, here they've come up with an innovative idea. Engineer designed a bendable concrete that repairs its own cracks. My God. Concrete repairs its own. How many cracks do you have in your garage or in your driveway or in the side of your house? All of these different things here are trying to make energy free, to make the dependence on oil here in these United States. These different ideas that they're coming up with. First of all, with this, what they call it, I had to really study it myself. This cement self-healing concrete. Have any of you ever heard of it? American bridges are falling down. He knows a better way to build. The civil engineer and environment engineering professor at the University of Michigan has invented a new kind of concrete that hardly ever cracks, and if it does, listen to this, can repair itself. Can you believe it? Hey, I have to see this, but I'm telling you, and this is in a well-known magazine. It's in Forbes magazine, so it's right on the ball. It's right there. A typical American bridge is built to last 50 years, right? And then only if it gets frequent maintenance. How many bridges you went across, and they swaying, and we've had all kinds of problems with bridges. They just fixed the one down there at National Harbor. And all over, going from state to state, they have this problem. Today, the average age of the bridge is 42 years old. 1/4 of all the bridges were deemed either structural defect or functional obsolete. Now, this was done last year by the U.S. Department of Transportation. In a March report, the American Society of Civil Engineers gave U.S. infrastructure a grade D. How many of you out there use bridges, huh? I think quite a few of you do, huh? Where can you go you don't cross a bridge? Huh? Think about it. Okay, now. So, they estimate that $2 trillion is needed now over the next 5 years to bring the bridges here in this United States from a D to a B. From a D to a B. $2 trillion. That's a lot of money. And you can't tell me you don't need bridges. Every last one of you out there cross a bridge sometime. Every week. They have an increase in stock of deteriorating infrastructures, and maintenance work is not catching up. See, that's the whole thing, see. It says we can't fill the gap with money. The only way is new technology. He says a self-healing concrete will help tackle the durability problems and reduce the cost of maintaining bridges and roads. Hey, everybody here uses a road every day, not once in a while, every day. Now, last year, the world swallowed up 3 billion tons of concrete. According to the Cement Association, concrete has a marvelous virtue, including a low cost, a high compression strength. Its main fault is brittleness.